Garage? Hey, fellas, the garage. Well, ooh-la-dee-da, Mr. Frenchman.
Well, what do you call it?
A car hole.
Hello, YouTube land. Today we're working on a 2005 Pontiac Vibe. Same engine as Toyota Corolla, Toyota Matrix, and possibly a few others that I missed. I gotta pull this turd out and pull in the other turd. I know what you're thinking. That sounds like valve train noise. It's actually the tensioner pulley. You can see it. Not very good. So here's the hoo-ha we gotta change. This is their culprit here. So apparently... Oh, it's not even open yet. I didn't open it yet. So apparently the... I think I got issues with the bearing here as well. But I know that what happens to these is this thing up and down here, it loses its goodness. So this one on here is probably factory, and we're gonna change it and see if that helps our noise. Yeah, so watch me try and do that, I guess. I just watch YouTube and find a video that looks like it knows what they're doing, and then I change it. So yeah, here we go! $19mm Peter to take belt off. Tension R. And then you gotta apparently drop the... What? That's enough. Belt comes off. I guess we don't need to take it off all the way. Just that one deal. Okay. Oh, you hear that? That's our noise. Okay, so it's confirmed. Yeah. All right, we got our 12mm Peter. We're gonna break it loose first with that, and then we got the Speedy Gonzalez. I haven't seen him in a while. Okay, there. Oh, it's gone forever. Dang it. Oh. Hello? Are you wondering what that clunking noise is? It's my diesel heater! Yeah, I did it. I bought a diesel heater. See what the hype's all about. So far, so good. I wonder if that's all the grease from that little shock that's seeped out. There's probably some sort of lubrication inside there. Like, this isn't oil, dirty oil residue. That's probably the grease that... Yep, I'm thinking so. What do you think? The two of you that are still watching. Now the 17mm Peter. I'll get this half loose and then more mount's gotta come off. Oh. Oh yeah, that's on there. Oh, Condo Nooch. That kinda hurts the handle. Maybe we should... Yeah, double wrench it. Okay. Yeah. One little wrench. Oh, there, move a little. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna massage that one out, so I'm gonna actually get loose, cracked loose, but I wanna go back. I doubt it would break, but oh wow, yeah. Yeah, that's nothing happening on there. Okay, it's not tight. Then we're gonna loose again. Loosey goosey. They all left. Wintertime. Geese, that is. Gooses. Oh yeah. Is it loosening? Yeah, yeah. Oh. Okay, now I think we can get a Speedy on there. Speedy Gonzalez again. Oh yeah. Holy again. Oh yeah. Holy. Oh. Yeah. Okay, good. Feels good. Doesn't feel okay. Okay, speedy time. 17. Where are you at? There it is. Found it. Oh, wrong way, of course. Other way. Come. Come on there. Oh, she's still actually quite tight. Wait, 7. Oh, there we go. Okay. There. That's coming off. Let me see. So now that that's broke loose, motor mount time. I'll get you in here in a minute. You take a peek, boo. Should I go more? It doesn't matter. Not quite that room. Well, no, it depends on how long the bolt is. Okay. Alright, now 14 millimeter. Oh. Get in there. There's 3 of these buggers. Oh, are you on there? Nope, that power steering dealie's kind of in the road. Better put this on tree. See if I can get a better angle out. Oh! There's the bolt. Oh, no, that's the tensioner. Where's the bolt? Right. Oh, you can kind of see it there. That AC line's right in the road. Anyway, that's the bolt that we're after. Straight down there. So you got to jack up the engine about 2-3 inches. And then that'll clear. Zoom in on that. That guy. Jack up the engine to get past the body. And then that'll pull right out. And then that whole tension will come off. Okay. Block of wood on jack. Gonna jack up on the corner of the oil pan. Just a little bit. And raise that up so I can get that bolt out. Do that for about an hour. Get that bolt out first. It's not terrible. I've definitely endured worse. This is. Maybe if I pull this off and then go up on it. There. Okay. Now this bugger can come right out. Maybe. Maybe get that bolt out of there first. Okay. Put that in the bin. Lose it. So there should be. There's a little bit of play in there. That's not my concern. This was, because this was rattling. It sounded like drivetrain, if you kind of remembered it. Some actually get quite loud. This wasn't terrible yet, but I wonder if this is factory. Top. Toyota? Toyota? What's that say? It doesn't really say. Oh, that can go down there. Warning. And this one, top. Maybe that was replaced. It's hard to say. Anyway, get this one in and do the reversal processes. Now can a guy get a zip in there? Let's see. I don't know. I don't think we can get a zip in there. No, this isn't big enough. Can't get down in there. There's just stuff in the road. I gotta get the old ratcheting wrench on there. If you don't have ratcheting wrenches, you probably should, because they definitely save time. Alright. Alright, got that all tightened up in there. Torque specs, just a little snug. And just got to throw the bolts back in for the motor mount. Alright, motor mounts are buttoned up. Undo the toit. Alright, just getting this belt rerouted. I hate doing belts. I don't know why, but they're kind of a pain. Well, not really. I guess the hard part's over. Okay, so Well, I like to leave it off the alternator and then do it like that. Okay. Crawl under here, yonder. Oh, you hear that popping? That's fireworks. Oh, this CD shaft definitely needs to be changed one day. Okay, so I'm gonna get it. Oh, get it around there, maybe? Santa Claus parade! Oh, oh, oh!
Ho, ho!
Okay. I think. 17? I can't remember. I think so. When I was 17.
When I was 17, I drank some very good beer. I drank some very good beer I purchased with a fake ID. My name was Brian McKee. I stayed up listening to Queen.
Oh. No. Well, what one was it? Didn't I do this once already? Oh, we're close. Just gotta get the right. Oh, I got another tip. A tip! Tip of the iceberg. These cars, Toyota Corolla Matrix 5, I found that if you have a coolant issue, see, I caught it before it actually wore through. Oh, that's the wrong button. Condo. Oh, son of a biscuit. Okay, see where that zip tie is? So, this piece, right here, this will running, vibrating, and I put this chunk of rubber here, and then a zip tie right where it hits. There was actually a tiny little mark in the coolant hose at one point. Oh yeah, look at the mark on the zip tie. It's almost wore right through. So I'm going to change that again. So if you got one of these 1.8 liter Toyota engines in whatever, take a peek at that, and you're going to probably see a little, or maybe it went already, and then you're like, oh, what happened there? So that's just the nature of the beast, I guess. I don't know, maybe it's just, I don't know. But anyway, I put that there, and that prevented this hose from blowing, because it would have went. And I mean, and look, if you look, it's far enough away, but obviously from just driving and vibrations, it does make its way up there. Actually, maybe I'll just turn it so it hits there instead. I just got to keep an eye on that. But yeah, maybe I'll wrap another chunk of rubber and put another zip tie on there. Alright, we'll fire this turd up and make sure everything's on the goods. See if we get no more noise. Yeah. Oh, looks good, sounds good. Everything doing what it's supposed to. You don't get that noise anymore. What do we got for mileage on this turd? I can't remember. Oh! 237,000 miles, almost 238. We gotta check the engine too. It's still there, so it's good. Next, I gotta do the blend door dealio. You hear that clicking? Yeah, I gotta fix that yet. That's next. One thing at a time. Alright, well, that's about it. Thanks for watching my shitty videos. And just like and unsubscribe.